mga bagong lovies natin dyan, sa mga bagong subscribers ng aking channel, Rosebanzonblogph from rosebanzonblogph. Hey! So, thank you so much for 200 subscribers. I've been eyeing to have a 200 subscribers for almost a year now because I'm not that good at vlogging. Oh, whoa! So, hello sa mga new lovies, new subscribers out there. I love you so much. Thank you for subscribing to my channel. Don't forget to like my videos every single time and comment para magkakakilanlan tayo. So, let's go to this makeup review or wear test. Wow! Power mama! Bye! Hey guys! Welcome back on my channel. Rose Pinay here from rosebanzonblogph, and for today's video, we are going to do a product review or wear test. I've been eyeing this foundation for a month now. When I was in Taiwan, I wanted to buy it, but the shades was pretty white because of course, Taiwanese is very white, so the selection is almost fair. So when I got back here in Manila, I wanted to buy one, so I already bought one shade, which is the darkest shade. This is the 310 of Superstay 24 full coverage foundation. You know that I love full coverage because of my acne and my pimple marks, but today we are going to do a wear test about this, if it's really a long wear or long lasting foundation for 24 hours. I will be going to BGC today for my job interview, and I hope it will last all day because it's a really long day. So without further ado, let's get into the product review. So this is the actual foundation. It has a pump. It has a pump, which is very good because you can minimize or maximize the amount of the product that you are going to put all over your face. So we are going to test it today. So I think it's really cool that it's glass. I love glass bottle foundation. I don't know if you liked it. Some people like plastic because they always break the foundation, but I don't really break mine. So we are going to put 2 pumps. So medyo okay, it's a little bit liquidy, so we are going to try if it's a full coverage. I forgot to prime my face. I'm just going to prime it with Olay smoothing serum. It's really good on your face. Put the foundation. So first application, very nice. I can see those blemishes I have in this side of my face. To think of, it's a first layer. And the smell, I don't like it, but if it gives you a full coverage, I don't care with the smell either. So just going to look at my face. Ooh, dang, this is the first layer, but I can't see those blemishes that I have earlier. Damn. So it says here that it is a full coverage foundation, long lasting wear, seamless matte finish, breathable and comfortable, fade and transfer resistant, oil free, doesn't clog pores, dermatology tested. Really matte. I can see that dryness all over my smile line, but because of our serum, we can see that it's bearable. It's not that cakey. It's really bearable, and I love it. This is the second layer, and it's really good. So I'm going to finish all my makeup, then I'll be right back.
Loves you, but you've been drinking too much. But you don't quit, instead you rather fuss and take it to the point to where she can't get up. And it makes you feel sick, it breaks your heart, 'cause you never meant for it to go this far. Plus you got a kid who has to live with the scars and can only see you whenever there's bars. I need a medic, yeah, I need a medic. Give me a medic, yeah, call me a medic.
She said I ain't seen him laugh in a long time. Seems life abandoned him to the wrong side. Remember the night they split and we all cried. I think for certain a large part of my heart died. They brought me up thinking life was
Call me a medic.
This is the finished product. So I am going to BGC today for my actual interview. So I'm going to be back for later afternoon. So I hope I got the job. I hope you could pray for me. And yeah, this is so time check, it's 12 and I just bought some cookies. This is my favorite cookie from Family Mart and we're going home. Punta na ako sa FX kung saan yung FX for Pasig. So ito na yung makeup ko. Wait. I was supposed to be shopping around market but I don't have money. So this is what my makeup looks like for almost like 5 hours or 4 hours. So I'll update you when I come back home to my condo. So yeah, maglalakad muna ako at kakainin ko yung cookies ko. So, ayan, pauwi na ako. Nag-backride ako sa motor, grabe. Mas magulo pa yung buho ko sa Amazon na. Pagod ako. Hindi ako natanggap. Alam niyo ba? Kasi math yung exam. Pag math kasi hindi talaga matatanggap. Huwag niyo ang bibigyan mo. Ako nakakalapa. Okay. Pagkakaroon susi. Hey guys, so time check, it's 3 p.m. and I've been wearing this foundation for almost 8 hours. I came from BGC earlier, as you can see on the last footage. So as you can see, there are parts of my face which is very oily, mostly on my T-zone because it's really hot here in the Philippines and I just came out in BGC and ride a tricycle, a back ride tricycle. So of course you can see some oiliness on my face right now. It is very oily on the side of my nose and here also, then here, mostly on my T-zone. So it's bearable, it's long lasting, and also it's lightweight. I can't feel that I am wearing a full coverage foundation. It's a matte full coverage foundation. So if you like full coverage foundation like me, I love full coverage foundation. So you could also buy this Maybelline Superstay 24-hour full coverage foundation on Watson or in department store, which you can get a discounted price sometimes because Maybelline has a lot of sale every single month. Sometimes they sell it for 400, which you can save 100 pesos. So you could also order in Lazada, which they have a discount right now for 400 pesos. So thank you so much for watching this video. I hope you liked it. Please don't forget to subscribe on my channel, Rose Pinay from Rose Vlogs TV, and please like the video. If you like this video, please comment down below all the things that you want to ask me, if there are things that you want me to try, or what is the favorite part of this video. Please comment down below and let's talk, let's collab and something. So what else? Just follow me on my Instagram account, Rose Banzon, Snapchat Rose Banzon, Twitter Rose Banzon D, and also visit my fashion blog www.myflametwistblogspot.com. And that's it. Thank you so much for watching my videos. Hello pala dyan sa mga bagong lovies natin. I am aiming to have 200 subscribers right now, and I really love you because we're almost 200 subbies. So to all the new subscribers out there, I really love you. I really do love you. Please don't forget to like my video every single time. I love you, lovies. Bye. See you on the next video and vlog. Bye.
They say Mike's about to blow though. Tell me something that I don't know. With the crowd bouncing like bogles, you can come on the tour bus, just please no photos. Up the ride like Somo, cause we be going off on the off nights. Cause I've been on every single song I put my pin on now. They don't know, or maybe they starting to. Cause I work so hard that it's hard to lose. Top spot, I'm taking that face to face. Got a bottle in my hand.